Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to open folder options on Windows 11 PC. Folder options is also known as File Explorer options on Windows 11. In this video, we will guide you through several methods to open folder options on Windows 11. So let me start without any delay. First one method is through a start menu or search bar. You can click on this one, a start button, or this one search box, and then type here folder options. In the search results, click on this one file explorer options to open the same. Next one method is through run dialog box. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard, and in the search box, this one dialog box, you need to paste control.exe a space folders. This one command I will put this one command in this video description also. So if you need, you can copy it from there. After pasting this one command control.exe a space folders, click on this one OK button. This will also open folder options or file explorer options. Third one option is through File Explorer. Just open File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E key on the keyboard, and in the this one address bar, copy and paste the command from this one video description, and then press enter on the keyboard to open folder options window on your Windows 11 PC. Next one option is through control panel. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard, then type here control and press enter to open control panel on your Windows 11 PC. Here you need to set view by to a small icons, or you can set it large icons. Then here you will find File Explorer options. Just click on this one to open File Explorer options on your Windows 11 PC. Next one method is through Windows 11 settings. For that, press Windows plus I key on the keyboard, and here in the search box type folder options. In the search result, click on this one File Explorer options. This will also open File Explorer options on your Windows 11 PC. Next one method is through Task Manager. For that, right click on the free space on the taskbar and select here Task Manager option. In the Task Manager window, click on this one button, Run New Task. Here, copy and paste this one command, control.exe space folders, and click on this one OK button. This will also open folder options, or you can say File Explorer options on your Windows 11 PC. Next one method is through command prompt. For that, click on this one Start button, type CMD, and then click on this one command prompt entry. Now copy and paste this one command and press enter on the keyboard to open folder options. Next one method is through PowerShell. For that, click on this one start button and type here PowerShell. In the search results, click on Windows PowerShell entry, and again you need to copy and paste the same command. After that, press enter on the keyboard to open File Explorer options on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. Bye.